weather. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Stark County, Southern Summit County, until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 9 miles west of Barberton and moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Canton, Massillon, North Canton, Brewster, Louisville, East Sparta, Alliance, Waynesburg. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Please report hail and strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Stark and Summit.
The National Weather Service